This video will not be about folder, but I would like to show you how to create this code in a short way. So maybe you know that, maybe you have already wrote it in a short way. So how we can create it in one line. So I will create a result here, and if you have a very simple condition like this, so usually you can use a ternary operator. So it means that you can write a short code and it will be absolutely the same like this. Okay, so here, for example, it will be, or it goes like this. So give me folder exists if this condition, else, you need to have else here, folder does not exist. Okay, like this. So I will do it like this. So this make absolutely the same like this, but here of course we need to print the result. Okay, so now these two lines are completely the same like these two lines. So if I will comment this out, just please leave it here because we will need it. So if I will run it, you can see folder exists because the data is here. Okay, if I will raise the data and run it again, folder does not exist. So you can see that this is absolutely the same like this, but this is only for I only wanted to show you that something like this is possible, because in real life scenarios it's normal to use something like this the short way. Okay, but in the next video we will need this code, because we need to put there more code. So if you have more code in the condition, you can't use this short code. Okay, it's impossible. You can use it only if the result or the parts of the conditions are very short. Okay, so now we got it. So I will comment this out and we can continue.